I'm back working on the G. You did see that video fairly recently about cats being plugged on another engine. On today's episode, we are going to do some preventative maintenance, i.e. I'm going to take them out. What's even nicer about drifting is drifting a factory-ish vehicle that has heat, which that doesn't, which has air conditioning, which that doesn't, which has functioning everything, lights, signals, the whole 9 yards, and I'm going to let you guess what the other one has. So that's what we're doing in this video series. So we're starting with putting new exhaust in. Well, we're first going to do this video about the cats, then put new exhaust in, full exhaust. Then the next one is going to be hydraulic handbrake, followed by, you guessed it, Lincoln locker. I'm an idiot. Don't do what I'm doing. It's widely illegal. Don't remove emissions equipment. Having said that, I may or may not be installing test pipes into this car. If you're recycling catalytic converters, it's a pretty profitable business. Unless you get caught, and then it's not going to be profitable because you're going to have to pay like $1,200 for a new cats. But well, let's hope that doesn't come to that. This is for off-road use only. It is the Megan exhaust cat test pipes. So I've drilled out the exhaust manifold so that these new hardware will fit. So right now I have the cats in with that hardware and it's all together. So I don't have to do any of that. But you, if you were doing this on your race car, not your street car, would have to drill out these to fit the hardware. We'll get under there. Well, first we got to get it up on the ramps, and then once it's on ramps, I can get under there, hopefully, because I'm a little chubby. Maybe I can get under there. Maybe I'll have to check the back of the car up. Don't know yet. Stay tuned. Wow. You know what? If I have to say anything, what you want to do... oh, goodness. You want to drive probably 200 kilometers or 100 kilometers. Make sure it's like piping hot. And then try to take this thing apart. Okay, so now how does this work? Is it this one? I believe this is it. This is very beautiful. Obviously you want to anti-seize that and tighten it if you can't get these out, because I don't think I can get that out. You're gonna have to buy a new O2 sensor, so that's something to keep in mind. It's not gonna affect fuel mileage. If you don't put this in, you're just gonna have a check engine light. But I already have a 6-speed swap, so I have a check engine light on all the time, so I don't care. But if you did care, you would want to buy the downstream O2 sensor. Okay, so now we're gonna put this gorgeous piece of pipe in there and let it rip. One thing to keep in mind when you're doing a test pipe install, removing cats, the car is going to think it's still got the cats, so it's going to run rich, so it's going to smell like raw fuel a little bit, and that led to another problem. It flowed so much better that it created this leak, and this is what I had to do to repair it. I do not recommend doing this. This is not good because JB Weld does not hold under heat. So I don't recommend doing that. It led to asphyxiation, which will lead to our following video, which is why we're doing a full exhaust system on it. Whether or not I turned it into a drift car, it was still gonna have to get a full exhaust system because you could not drive it. So that's next episode. I hope you guys had a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let us know how we did in the comments, and I hope to see you guys again on another episode of Southdown Garage. Have a wonderful day, and get outside and have some fun with your vehicle.